Most people believe earning more money will eventually remove financial stress. But something strange keeps happening. A person gets a raise, feels relieved for a while, and then slowly returns to the same financial pressure again. The income changed, but life still feels expensive. And this isn't only happening to low-income workers. It's happening to people earning decent salaries across the United States and Europe. So the real question is, why do pay raises improve comfort, but rarely improve freedom? Imagine Daniel, a 29-year-old living in Manchester. He works in tech support and recently gets promoted. His salary increases from $42,000 to $52,000 a year. After taxes and deductions, his monthly increase is around $600. At first, he feels financially ahead for the first time in years. But then his lifestyle slowly starts upgrading with his income. He moves into a better apartment, increasing rent by $400 monthly. Then he replaces his old car with a financed BMW costing another $250 each month. After that come the smaller upgrades, subscriptions, better clothes, takeout, and weekend trips. None of these decisions feel irresponsible. In fact, they feel deserved.
And that's why lifestyle inflation is so powerful. It almost never feels reckless while it's happening. Most people think financial progress comes from increasing income, but real progress depends on the gap between income and lifestyle. The moment income rises, modern life encourages people to close that gap immediately. Humans adapt very quickly to comfort. What once felt luxurious soon becomes normal. And once your lifestyle expands, going backward feels emotionally uncomfortable. That's why someone earning £50,000 can still feel financially trapped. Now look at the math. Daniel earns an extra £600 monthly after tax, but his apartment and car upgrades already cost $650. Before he realizes it, the raise disappears completely. This is the hidden danger of fixed monthly expenses. When people finance a lifestyle, they also finance future stress. Their job stops being just a job and becomes the thing holding together rent payments and bills. Over time, this changes behavior. People stay in jobs they dislike longer and avoid taking career risks. Their income increased, but their dependence increased too. Financially intelligent people usually think differently. They don't immediately treat a raise as permission to spend more. They treat it as a chance to create breathing room and reduce pressure. Because freedom comes less from high income and more from low obligations. And for many people, that small shift in thinking changes everything. If you enjoy calm and realistic conversations about money and modern life, you can subscribe for more.